Simultaneous equations is another extremely important algebra concept to get on top of. Okay, the first one here, we're going to use the elimination method. Sorry, not the elimination method, the substitution method. So I've got here x equals this. So what I can do is I can simply replace the x in here with the y plus 9. So that becomes 5 bracket y plus 9 plus 2y equals 10. Removing the brackets, we get 5y plus 45 plus 2y equals 10. Now this becomes 7y plus 45 equals 10. So 7y equals minus 35, subtracting the 45 from the 10. So y equals minus 5. Now don't forget now you've got to find what x is, so we can put that back in here. So x is simply equal to minus 5 plus 9, so that's equal to 4. So x equals 4 and y equals negative 5. This one by elimination, I'm going to call this equation 1, this equation 2. Now we need to get rid of the x or the y. I think we'll get rid of the x's because I like these positive things. So I'm going to multiply this one by 4. Now multiply each term by 4, be careful of that. That's where the common errors pop in. So it becomes 4 times that, 5 is 20x minus 28y equals 36. Now that's what I call it equation 3. Now I'm going to multiply this one by 5, because that'll make it 20x, which makes these line up, and that one by the 5 minus 25y, and multiplying that by 5 is going to be 25. I call that equation 4. All right. Okay, so what's going to happen now is when we subtract 3 from 4, 3 minus 4, okay, these will go out. Just be careful here. It's minus 28 plus 25, that's minus 3y. And subtracting these ones, we're going to get a total of 11. We subtract that. That's rather ugly, isn't it? It would be nice if it was 21. Anyhow, dividing both sides by minus 3, we're going to get y equals minus 11 over 3. So now we need to put that back into one of these equations. So I think I might put that one back into this one. So we get 4x minus 5 times minus 11 over 3 equals 5. 4x plus 55 over 3 equals 5. 4x equals, this will be 5 minus 55 over 3. So 4x equals 3 times 5 is 15. And 15 minus the 55 is going to give you minus 40 over 3. And dividing through, we get x equals minus 10 over 3. So we've got those rather unpleasant fractions. All right, moving on now to this one, number 3. We need to find two numbers whose sum is 30 and half their difference is 7. Well, that numbers would be x and y. We know that x plus y is equal to 30, and half their difference, 1/2 of x minus y equals 7. What I'll do here, I'll take that half across the other side, make that x minus y equals 14. Call that equation 1, equation 2. So simply adding these two together, we'll get rid of the y's. I get 2x is equal to 44, x equals 22. Right, so putting a 22 back into here, I'm going to get that 22 plus y equals 30. So that means that y must have equal to 8. All right, now moving on to this one, equilateral triangle. So all the sides are equal. So I'll make these two equal. So 2a plus b equals b plus 6. B's go out. So straight away we get a is equal to 3. All right, so now what we'll do is simply take another pair. So we'll take these pairs, say 4a minus 1 equals b plus 6. Now we can write that as, put the 3 in there for the a, with 12 minus 1 equals b plus 6. So 11 equals b plus 6. Subtract the 6 from both sides. See that b must equal 5. A little bit harder. This time we're not linear. We've got a parabola here and a straight line, but it's not nicely set up for us because y equals that and y equals that. So that means these two must be equal. So we say x squared minus x minus 6 must equal x plus 9. This becomes x squared minus 2x, take that across, and this becomes minus 15, isn't it? Yep, equals 0, taking the 9 across. Okay, what two numbers multiply to give me minus 15, add to give minus 2, times to give minus 15, and add up to give me minus 2. That's going to give me minus 5 and 2, isn't it? Just make sure that's right. Minus 5 and 3, whoops, minus 5 and 3. That's pretty ugly. Alright, so that's minus 5 and 3. Gives me that, just checking it, minus, yep. So this becomes x minus 5 and x plus 3. You can always check that in this answer. I put the 2 in there, you would have seen it straight away it was wrong. So therefore x must equal 5, or x equals minus 3. Haven't finished yet because we have to again then go back and work it out. Don't put in this one, put in this one. So when x equals 5, y is equal to 14. And when x equals minus 3, y must equal 6. Well, that would actually be a parabola, and these points here, 5, 14 and minus 3, 6, would be actually the points of intersection of those. Okay, well, that's done.